Teeth whitening is a simple and non-invasive dental procedure that is used to brighten the color of your teeth and does enhance the look of your smile. While there are a plethora of over-the-counter teeth whitening treatments available at your disposal, they may not always be as effective as getting your teeth professionally whitened at the dentist's office. So, what really does happen at an in-office based teeth whitening session? Let me walk you through the process. Step 1. Initial consultation. Before commencing the teeth whitening treatment, the patient will go through an initial consultation with a dental expert to ensure that they are a suitable candidate for the procedure. Our goal here is to confirm that your teeth and gums are healthy before beginning treatment and to ensure the best results for you. Step 2. Measuring current shade. Following the consultation, the dental expert will measure the existing shade of your natural teeth against a shade guide. This will provide you with a realistic view of the current state of your teeth. Step 3. Protecting teeth and gums. Next, we apply a protective barrier to the gums. The purpose of this step is to maximize results and minimize discomfort. This will help to reduce any risk of irritation your gums may encounter if they come in contact with the bleaching agents in whitening gels. Step 4. Apply whitening gel. Now we apply the whitening gel to your teeth. This gel contains hydrogen peroxide, which will react with the stains on your teeth and eliminate them. Step 5. Gel activation. Once the whitening gels are applied to your teeth, they are then activated under a special light for a total of 45 minutes in 3 equal intervals of 15 minutes each. Step 6. Evaluate the results. The tooth shade guide is used again once the treatment is complete in order to compare the color of your teeth before and after the treatment. Remember, with periodic maintenance, whether it is using an at-home whitening kit or an in-office procedure, you can preserve your white smile for a long time.